So I hope everyone have joined. There are some students who haven't joined yet. Screen might be visible now. Everyone, screen is visible. Yes. Okay, very good. So screen is visible now, right? Okay, very good. So yeah, so before starting this chapter, okay, we would like to discuss about what is chemistry. Okay, when we talk about chemistry, what pops up in your head? Just let me know. When you talk about chemistry, right? What you think about? Equations, atom, yes? Right? And I can say that chemistry, right? The word that pops up in our head first is atom, right? Atom. Then something called element, right? Element. Then equations, equations. Reactions, compounds, molecules, right? So I can say that these are the building blocks of chemistry. Atoms, molecules, equations. Yes, message to host. Message to host. Okay, right? Now, first of all, we have to know what is an atom. So I guess those who watch the videos, you have a basic understanding of what is a atom, right? So I can say that atom is the smallest building block of any particle, of anything. Yes, atom is the smallest building block of any substance, any particles, right? So yes, Ragini, this is the fundamental unit of chemistry. Okay, so as we saw in the video, that atom is really small. Okay, it's so small that if you collect all the atoms, still it won't be equal to, tell me, one box, right? Got it? Okay, so first, what is an atom? What is an atom? Atom is the smallest building block of any particle, right? Now, when we talk about atom, so there's a lot to discuss about atoms, but since we have to complete this chapter, we'll discuss about atoms and molecules in detail. Okay, so I'll just tell you what is important related to this chapter. Now, when we talk about atoms, first of all, we can say that, right, we have atom like a sphere. Okay, I can say that we have atom like a sphere, right? This is what we assume. So we have one part which is at the center, right? And then there are some particles which rotates around this center, right? Now the question is, what are they called? Okay, the question is, what are they called? That's my question. What are they called? No, not molecule. Yes, very good. So some of you might know the atom is composed of three subatomic particles. Yes, Tavishka, they are composed of three subatomic particles: electron, proton, and neutron. Okay, electron, proton, and neutron. So electron, proton, and neutron are called as subatomic particle. Subatomic particle. Okay, because these are the particles which exist inside the atom. I'm writing electron again and again. Yeah, neutron. So I can say that electron, proton, neutron are subatomic particle which exist inside the atom. Yes, then you should ask, okay sir, you said that atom is the smallest unit of any substance, right? But it should be electron, proton, neutron, right? Because atom is composed of electron, proton, and neutron. Okay, so the smallest unit should be electron, proton, neutron. Why it is atom? Tell me why it is atom. Yes, so the basic definition is atom is the smallest unit which can exist independently, right? Which can exist, right? Which can exist. Okay, got it? Right? Electron, proton, neutron, they do not exist in their free state, right? They are existing only when they are together and form of atom. Okay, got it? So I can say that. I'm having this atom, which I'm representing by a circle, right? And we have one smaller circle, one smaller circle. Okay, so I say that this smaller circle, right, is called your, tell me, what is this called? This is called your nucleus. 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 Okay, yes, nucleus, right? Now, this is your orbit. This is your orbit, orbit, right? As we have Earth in an orbit which revolves around the sun, right? In the same way, right? This is the orbit. What is there in the orbit? So we will have electrons, right? Electrons on the orbit. Yes, yes, Abhinav. Yes, he joined today. Okay, welcome, Arav. Arav is there. Okay, so welcome, Arav. Arav just joined us from today onwards. Okay, okay. So Arav, if you have any doubts, if you think that you're not understanding anything, just text there. Okay, just message in the chat box. So we started with this 5th chapter, but before that, I'm just giving brief introduction about chemistry. What is chemistry, right? Okay, so yeah, so I can say that atom, if you think about atom, okay, you can just imagine a solar system. When we talk about a solar system, we will have a sun at the center, yes or no, right? If you imagine a solar system, we will have sun at the center, okay, and then all the orbits, right? We have different orbits and all the planets revolve around the sun in a fixed orbit. Yes, right? That's how our solar system is. So in the same way, we have nucleus in an atom, which is the center of the atom. And then electron revolves around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. Okay, now your question should be, okay, what is there inside the nucleus? So I can say that inside the nucleus we will have this proton and neutron. Okay, right, both protons and neutrons. So inside the nucleus we will have protons and neutrons, and the electrons will rotate, sorry, not rotate, revolve around the nucleus. Okay, got it everyone? All of you understood what is the basic idea of atom? Okay, 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 good everyone. So I can say that we have 3 subatomic particles: electron, electron, sorry my handwriting is bad today because I'm not using writing pad. Okay, I'm just using mouse, just bear with me. So this is proton and this is your neutron, neutron. Now, after understanding the atom, okay, that it is composed of electron, proton, neutron, we should think, okay, we have to think what's the difference between electron, proton, and neutron? That should be the obvious question, right? What is the difference between electron, proton, and neutron, right? So obviously these three are three different subatomic particles, means their property should be different, their mass should be different, right? Yes, very good, Ragini. So these are your charged particles. Electrons and protons are your charged particles, means they have some charge. Okay, so electron have negative charge, proton have positive charge, and neutron is neutral, which means zero charge. Okay, yes, electron are negatively charged, electrons are negatively charged. Got it? Right? Electrons are negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particles, and neutrons is neutral. Now just think about this. If I'm saying that proton is positively charged and neutron is neutral, what do you think will be the charge of nucleus? Tell me, what will be the charge of nucleus? Everyone, just think about this. Yes, Ragni, very good. Yes, Ragni. Anyone else? Everyone should answer, right? Charge of nucleus. See, proton, I said that in nucleus, we will have proton as well as neutron. Okay, we will have proton and neutron. Okay, and the electron revolve around the nucleus. Now just think about this. If we have proton and neutron inside the nucleus, the charge of proton is positive and the charge of neutron is nothing, right? Nothing. So obviously, total charge should be positive now. Yes, Tavishka, very good, right? So I can say that, yes, Abhinav, total charge of the nucleus should be positive, which is just the charge of proton. Yes or no? Got it, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Just raise your hand if you understood everything. Just raise your hand, right? Feeling this easy? Okay. Since it's not possible to show the videos because of internet issues, it would be better if you watch the videos before the class. Okay, so if you have watched the videos before the class, you would be understanding in better way, right? Are you getting everything? If you have watched the videos, it is much easier to understand the class. Okay, especially in chemistry. Okay, very good. Okay, Yukti, yes. Now just think about this. Just think about this. Every particle, be it your screen or your hand, eyes, what we eat, what we see, everything, okay, is made up of atoms. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Now my question is, are all atoms same? If everything is made up of atom, then are all the atoms same or different? Tell me, will they be same or different? They should be different now, right? They should be different because we have different objects. Our hand is not as same as your phone or laptop, right? Everything is different. Got it? So I can say that there are different type of atoms, right, which make up different type of substance. Yes, yes, very good. So my question is, again my question is, right, when you learn something, you should ask different type of questions from yourself. Now my next question would be, what will be the differentiating factor, right? What will change the atoms? How two different atoms are actually different? How? Or when we can say that these two atoms are different? So yeah, obviously, Vishka, atoms will be of elements only. Okay, right? So different atoms of different elements. So what makes this difference. That's my problem. Okay, suppose I'm having two atoms, right? Suppose I'm having two atoms. I'll just draw two atoms. So this is your atom A, and this is your atom B. Okay, this is your atom A, and this is your atom B, right? Now this atom, suppose this atom have 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 protons, 10 protons, and this electron, sorry, this atom have 8 electrons, 8 electrons. And 8 protons. Okay, 8 electrons and 8 protons. 8 neutrons and 10 neutrons. Okay. Now, can I say that these two, yeah, just wait for 2 minutes. I'm just fixing my internet. Okay. Yeah, it was breaking, I know. Is it fine now, everyone? Okay. Yeah, everyone, can you hear me? Yukti, my voice is breaking. Like, is my voice fine? Am I audible? Yes? Okay, just wait for some minute. I'm just fixing this. Esther, what you're doing? Okay. Shrav, it's not always same. Okay, everyone, can you hear me clearly? Just let me know. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me now? Yes? Okay, very good. Okay. Just let me know whenever the voice is weak, just let me know, okay? Right, everyone? Okay, so yeah, there are different questions. So usually the number of proton and electron are always same in a neutral atom. Okay, this is what you have to know. Number of proton and number of electron. Number of proton and number of electron are same in neutral atom. I'm the host, Esther. I'm the host. Okay, just message your host. Okay, same in neutral atom. Neutral atom. Okay. Got it? So what is the meaning of neutral atom? Just think about it. What is the meaning of neutral atom? Means the net charge is zero. Yes or no? Neutral atom means the net charge is zero. Because if you have 10 positive charge and 10 negative charge, right? Just think about this. If you have 10 negative charge and 10 positive charge, what will be the total charge? Yes, very good. So everyone is getting this? So I can say that if an atom have 10 electron and 10 proton, so it means 10 negative charge and 10 positive charge. So total charge is zero. Got it? In this atom, we have 8 electrons. I'm not audible? Guys, am I audible or not? Because I think Tanmay has some issues. I'm audible, right? Tanmay, can you hear me? Okay, I guess everyone can hear me. Tanmay, just check your internet. I guess it's your internet issues. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Daksh, I'm trying to get one more internet connection. So I guess after this week, we will have better internet connection. Okay. For now, I'm using 3 internet connections, but again, it's not working. So it's fine. Just let me know whenever you don't hear me. Okay. Right. Whenever the voice will break, just let me know. I'll repeat. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, so I can say that number of electron and number of proton in a neutral atom will always be same. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Just tell me yes or no. Yes, very good. Right? Now, can you say that these two atoms are different? Right? These two atoms are different. Brinda, I just said that the total charge of these two atoms are different, are zero. Okay, and these two atoms are different. Why it is different? Because one is having 10 electrons and 10 protons, and other one is having 8 electrons and 8 protons. Got it? So the number of electron and proton makes the atom different. Got it? Yes or no? Right? And if I have to be very precise, then you can write down number of protons, right? Different number of protons make different atoms. Different number of protons. Different number of protons. Different number of protons. Number of protons. Protons. Okay. Will make different atoms. Okay. Got it? Got it, everyone? Tell me. Okay, and this number of proton, I'm saying, Yukti, that different number of protons, right? There may be a possibility that electrons might be same, right? There may be possibility, we'll discuss that. But if we have different number of protons, then the atoms are always different. Okay, means there are no two different atoms having same number of protons. Okay, got it? I'll repeat again, Abhinav. Don't worry, I'll repeat again. Okay, wait, Abhinav. Everyone just wait. Wait for some time. Just wait for 2 minutes, okay? Everyone, just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me clearly now? Yes? Okay, very good. Yeah. So someone asked that can there be 8 electrons and 4 protons? So in a neutral atom, no, that's not the possible, right? But yes, it may happen, okay, if an atom takes extra electron, that we will study in later, okay? Neutron not possible. Neutron is fixed, okay? So I can say that if two atoms are different, they should have different number of protons, okay? They will never have same number of protons. That's why number of protons present in an atom is called as atomic number. Write it down. Atomic number. Atomic number. Okay? Got it, everyone? So if anyone asks you, what is your atomic number? Tell me, what is the atomic number of an atom? So what you will say? Atomic number is the number of proton present in an atom. Okay? Okay, everyone? Ragini, I repeated, right? Everyone got this? That number of proton in an atom is called its atomic number. So suppose this is atom A and this is atom B. So what is the atomic number of atom A? Tell me, what is the atomic number of atom A? Yes, Devika, very good. Arav, yes. Ragini, yes. I said atomic number is the number of proton. Atomic number of an atom is the number of proton. Yes, everyone. So for A, it is 10. For A, it is 10. Got it? Very good. And for B, tell me, for B, it is 8. Very good. Got it, everyone? Right? So now you know what is your atomic number. Yes or no? Everyone know what is your atomic number? Right? So when we say that, we have different elements, right? So if I ask you, different elements should have different number of electrons, different number of protons, or different number of neutrons. What is compulsory? What is compulsory? Different elements should have different number of, tell me. Protons na Harsh? Abhi हमने बोला, right? That electrons may be same, neutrons may be same or different, right? There will be some cases in which neutrons might be same. We will see those cases, okay? But the number of proton will never be same. Got it? Got it, everyone? Tell me, everyone got this? Right? Shravya, because electrons can be exchanged. Okay, electrons can be exchanged. I'm saying that, suppose I'm having atom A. Suppose I'm having atom A. Okay, so atom A will have 10 electrons. Just imagine 10 electrons, 10 protons, and 10 neutrons, right? Okay, 10 neutrons. Now, just think about the construction. We know that proton and neutron exist inside the nucleus? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes? Just think about this. An electron revolves around the nucleus. An electron is very far from the nucleus. Yes, electron is very far from the nucleus and it revolves around the nucleus. Okay. So there might be a possibility where some other atom wants some electron. There may be the possibility, okay, that some other atom wants some electron. So they will take the electron of A. Got it? Right? And that is called your valency. Yes, Ragini. We will discuss everything in detail. Just think about this. Suppose Ragini and Shravya are two friends. They're in a classroom, right? Now suppose Ragini forgot to bring her lunch box. Just imagine, right? Ragini forgot to bring her lunch box, but Shravya have double lunch box, right? Shravya has double lunch box. Then what will happen? What should happen? Yeah, Arav, you can join, but message me after the class, okay? Share, yes, right? Shravya will share the tiffin with Ragini. Yes or no? Right? Got it? Yeah, that's what happens in atoms also. Okay. Now the same thing will happen in atoms. Why it happens, we will discuss later. But sharing of electron happens in atom, right? So suppose A is having 10 electron, 10 proton, 10 neutron. Okay, and B is having, wait, let me change this. Instead of 10, I'll make it 11. Okay, and just forget about neutron. We won't discuss about neutrons. We'll just discuss about protons and electrons, right? So suppose we have 11 electron and 11 proton. Okay, and then we have an atom B, which is having 9 electron and 9 proton. Okay, 9 electron and 9 proton, right? Now, in order to be any, okay, just think about this. Why you eat food? Just think about this. Why we eat food? To get energy? Yes. To be stable? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? To be stable, right? Now, stability is one of the biggest factor for anything which is happening in the universe. Okay, anything which is happening in the universe. Why you guys are studying? Because if you gain knowledge, you will have a stable life, right? Why we eat? Because if we won't eat, we won't be stable. We will be very hungry, we will be weak. Got it? Right? No, no, no. In any two different type of atom, two different atoms of different element will have different protons. They won't have same proton. Okay? So I'm saying that in order to be stable, right, atom should have some number of electron. Remember this, number of electron, right? Just imagine that that number is 10. Okay, that number is 10. Means A should have 10 electrons to be stable and B should also have 10 electrons to be stable, right? Just think about this. So consider A as Shravya and consider B as Ragini. And we are talking about electrons only. Protons, we need not to worry about that. Okay. then what will happen now? Just think about this. What will happen now? Logically think, what will happen now? Tell me. Suppose A is Shavya, which have more electron, and B is Ragini, which have one less electron. What will happen? Yes, very good. So Shavya will give one electron to Ragini, right? As simple as that. So A will give one electron to B. So A will lose one electron and B will gain one electron. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Right? So A will lose one electron. Right? So A will lose one electron and B will gain one electron. Okay? Got it? Everyone got this? Tell me. Everyone got this? Okay, my voice is breaking. Wait some time. Okay, guys, now my voice is fine. Everyone, yeah, is it fine now? Yes. Okay, guys, now my voice is fine. Just wait for 2 minutes. Everyone, just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Just wait for 2 minutes, everyone. It will be fine. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, sorry. Thanks, Brinda. Yes, Tanmay, you have, because I have told you, Tanish, to buy this in last year, right? So that will be the most important book for chemistry for class 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. Most of your brothers or sisters, I don't have, I'll just ask someone who is having that book to send the pic of the book. I'll just send the link, okay? And for now, someone will send you the scan, right, after the class. Okay? Those who have brother and sister who was studying with Avanti and who is studying with Avanti, they might have the book, okay? So yeah, this is one equation. All of you understood this equation? Tell me. Everyone understood this equation? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. So I can say that this, sodium will lose electron. Sodium will lose electron. Okay. Now what about chlorine? Just think about it. What about chlorine? Chlorine will accept electron. Yes or no? Chlorine will accept electron. You could not understand, Brinda? See, I'm just writing this, that sodium, right? Sodium. Okay, sodium. All sodium have 11 electrons, but it needs 10 electron to be stable. So it is having one electron extra. So what will happen? It will give one electron to whom? To chlorine, right? Got it? Got it, Brinda? So suppose if you're having 11 rupees and you only need 10 rupees and there's a friend of yours who need 1 rupee. So obviously you will give 1 rupee to him now, right? You're a good student, right? Okay, so that's what sodium did. Sodium lose one electron, right? It is losing now. That's why you're having 10 in sodium plus 1, right? Got it? Got it, everyone? 10 electron will be with sodium Na plus, because plus means it is losing one electron, plus one electron. So this is one electron. So total is 11 electrons. Now what will happen to chlorine? Tell me, what will happen to chlorine? To be stable, Brinda, to be stable, it is information, right? It is information. Everyone, there's a fixed number of electrons which is needed. Okay, there's a fixed number of electrons which is needed by atoms, right? We will study why in detail, right? But just imagine why we eat food, right? Why we eat food? To, yes, to gain energy, right? It is a fact, no? It is a fact, right? Got it? It is a fact that if we get energy, if we eat, we will get energy. Yes or no? It's a fact. In the same way, for atoms, right? There are some atoms which have this fact that if it will have this much electron, it will be stable. Okay? Okay, everyone. Okay? We'll study everything in detail. Don't worry. Chemistry is very big. We have just started chemistry. Now, how many of you, just tell me, how many of you are enjoying this? How many of you are enjoying this? Just raise your hand, right? Is it different from what is being taught in your school and textbook? See, I don't know if you guys are knowing this or not. Okay, your education will change when you go to class 11, 12. Now, most of things will change, and that's why, right? You should focus on learning, not remembering. Okay, for example, the third chapter which I skipped, right? Fibers. In fibers you have to learn, you have to remember everything. Yes or no? In fibers, is there anything to understand? Just tell me, is there anything to understand in fibers? Right, there's only two things: how wool is formed and how silk is formed. As simple as that. Finished chapter, right? That's it. Now how wool is formed, how wool is obtained, right? And then how silk is formed, how silk is obtained, then chapter finish, right? Shravya, see, just imagine. I'll explain once again. Just imagine, right? Just imagine. We have, suppose you have 11 electrons, 11 electrons, right? Okay, can you write it as 10 electron plus 1 electron? Yes or no? Tell me. Can you write 11 as 10 plus 1? Yes. So this is your sodium. This is your sodium with 11 electron. Okay, 11 electron. And now, if it will lose one electron, then it will become Na plus. Why? Because why it will become Na plus? We have studied now, see, right? It will become A plus. If after losing one electron, the number of protons will be more than number of electrons. Yes or no? So it will become Na plus. Yes? Everyone got this? How it become Na plus? But we will still have one electrons now. So one electron. Got it, everyone? Everyone got this? How Na gives Na plus plus electrons? It is 11 electron with Na, then 10 electron Na plus, 1 electron Cl minus. Got it? Okay. Now tell me this. 17 plus 1 gives 18. Gives 18. Don't worry enough, just to understand this. 17 plus 1 gives 18. How can you write it? Tell me. 17 is chlorine, yes or no? 17 is chlorine. My voice is cracking. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. Is it fine now? My voice is fine now? Breaking. Okay. So we will take a break. We will take 10 minutes break. Okay, we will take 10 minutes break. Yes, we will take 10 minutes break. We will be back at 3:15. Okay. Kahoot we will run at 3:40 now, right? We will run Kahoot at 3:40. Everyone? Yeah. Am I clear now? Yes? Okay, very good. So I'll just complete this. Okay, right? So 17 means Cl, chlorine, plus electron. Got it? Plus electron. Yes, we will it will become Cl minus. Okay, Daksh, no issues. Was break. Okay, okay, we will have break now. Okay, we will have break. We will join at 3:15. Yes, same ID. Devika, same ID. Okay. Thanks, Devika. So yeah, so before break, we were talking about how electron transfer from one atom to another atom, right? So we saw this, that when we talk about NaCl, okay, so Na have tendency to give one electron, right? Na will have tendency to give one electron, right? So it will form Na plus plus electron. Got it? Right? Now in the same way, chlorine have tendency to take one electron. So it will form Cl minus. Yes or no? Everything is clear till this point, right? So this is the basic of all the equations that we will study. Okay. Now what happens actually, right? What happens actually, this Na plus and Cl minus is your actual NaCl. Got it? Right? Got it? Why? Now think about this. Logically think about this. Positive charge and negative charge will attract each other or will repel each other? Tell me. Positive charge and negative charge will attract each other or negative or repel each other. We know that, right? Positive charge and negative charge will attract each other. It will attract each other. Okay, positive and negative will attract. Okay, right? Unlike charges attract each other, whereas like charges repel. Okay, repel. So like charges attract each other, unlike charges repel each other. Aditya, it will be on Tuesday. Test of data handling will be on Tuesday. Okay? Okay, everyone? Okay. Now, do you know, right? Why Na have tendency to give 1 plus and chlorine have tendency to give 1. Sorry, chlorine have tendency to accept 1 electron, right? It will convert into Na plus and Cl minus, and they will attract each other, right? है ना? Just imagine Shravya and Ragini, right? When they share their lunch, they'll become good friends, na? Tell me, they'll become good friends, right? Okay. So this is how chemical is formed. Now this is only one method. There may be other method also. There are actually other methods, but basic you understood, right? Everyone understood the basic? Okay. Arav, you missed 20 minutes of class. So just watch the video and message me later, okay? I've recorded everything, so you can watch the videos. So I hope all of you understood till this point. Yes or no? Right? How Na is converted into Na plus and Cl is converted into Cl minus by exchange of electrons. Got it? Okay, very good. Now when we talk about elements, right? When we talk about elements, we have to represent it, yes? For example, Na. Na is a symbol. Symbol of what? Tell me. This is a symbol of sodium. Yes? Got it, everyone? Now, whenever an atom is written, if you see this, it will be written like this. Okay. It will be written like this. Have you observed that it is written like this? Have anyone observed? We will share the periodic table, but it is written like this, right? Now, what is this 11? Tell me, what is this 11? We just studied, right? This 11 is its number of proton. Okay, it is your number of proton. Got it? And what is what we call as number of protons? It is called as atomic number. Atomic number. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Okay. So atomic number of proton is, sorry, atomic number of sodium is 11, which means sodium have 11 electrons and 11 protons. Okay. Got it? Everyone got this? Arav, you got this? No, Abhinav. atomicity is different. We will discuss that also. Okay. So sodium have 11 protons. So its atomic number is 11. Now what about this 23? Right? What about this 23? What is this 23? Yes, Arav, that's my question, right? Now, except proton, we have electron and neutron. Got it? But we know that proton and neutrons are in nucleus, and electron revolves around the atom, and number of proton and number of electron is same in a neutral atom, right? So what is this 23? Now this 23 is actually number of neutron, number of neutron plus number of proton, number of proton. Got it? Proton. Okay. And this is called as mass number. Mass number. Okay. We use it as atomic mass also, but it is actually called as mass number. Got it? Brinda, my voice is fine. I can hear myself very clearly. I've changed the network. Everyone, am I clear? Yes. Yes, Madhur, I have a very nice question that why I'm saying that 23 is your mass number or atomic number, because electron is also having some mass, right? But the mass of electron, right, is very small. Mass of electron is very small as compared to proton and neutron, is very small. Got it? Very small. And that's why I'm saying it is a mass number. Okay? Got it, everyone? So what is mass number? Tell me, what is mass number? Mass number is number of proton plus number of neutron in any atom. Okay? Whereas number of proton is called as atomic number. Okay? Now tell me, if I'm giving you this symbol Na2311, which means number of proton is equal to, tell me, if I'm giving you the symbol, can you tell me? Yes, very good, very good. Number of electron, it will be neutral atom, I'm saying. Number of electrons, 11 only, na? Right? I just said in neutral atom, number of electron and number of proton are same. Got it? Right? Now, third is number of neutron. Number of neutron. Neutron. Tell me, what is the number of neutron? Brinda, my voice is not breaking. It might be because of your internet. Yes, Madhur, correct. Shravya, correct. Arav, correct. See, I just said number of proton. I'll just write it as P and N, okay? Number of proton, which is P, plus number of neutron, which is N, is equal to mass number, which is 23. Yes or no? Tell me. This is what we studied. Yes or no? Yes? And I told you that number of proton is 11. So 11 plus 23. 11 plus N is equal to 23. So what is N? What is N? N is equal to 23 minus 11, which is equal to 12. Got it? Yes, very good. Very good. Now, you can see here that number of proton is not same as number of electron. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Number of proton is not same as number of neutrons, right? Okay. So that's what I said, that the only subatomic particle which should be different for atoms of different element is your atomic number or proton. Got it, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no. Everyone is getting this? Okay. Let's get back to our problem. Okay. So I said that Na will give one electron. It will give one electron. You can just say that Na will give one electron and will form Na plus electron, right? Now this one electron is called its valency. Valency. Okay, right? In the same way, chlorine will gain one electron and form Cl minus. So this one electron is also valency. Okay, Brinda, I'm just saying what is valency. Okay, the number of electron which is exchanged, okay, between two atoms is called its valency. Okay, got it, everyone? Now, just think about this. I'm giving you another atom. Cl plus 1 ही हुआ ना? So plus 1. Cl is taking one electron na? Cl is taking one electron. So obviously 1 is its valency. Got it? Right? Okay, Arav. Yeah, because you missed the class now. I'll explain another example. Try to understand from that. Okay? Okay, Arav? Now see. What is this? Tell me, what is this? Al is, what is Al? Aluminium. Yes, very good. Al is aluminium. So aluminium is having how many protons and neutrons? So not neutrons, protons and electrons. Tell me. See, I have not given you mass number. I've just given you atomic number. So number of protons is 13. And number of electron, 13. Okay? Okay, everyone? Easy? Everyone is getting this? Yes, very good. Now just think about this. As I said, sodium need to have 10 electrons to be stable. Devika, who tells us to eat? Just think about this. If no one tells us to eat, won't we eat? Tell me. We will eat now because it is the need. Right? We eat because we need energy. We want to become stable. In the same way, atoms exchange electrons to become stable. Got it? Got it, everyone? Right? So the question, why this exchange will take place? To become stable. Okay? Sharing is caring, right? If it denies, then it go to somewhere else. As simple as that, right? Okay. Or if it can exist alone, then it will be alone. There are all different type of atoms. I'll send you one video, one interesting video. Okay. How compounds are formed. Okay. We have just started learning chemistry. It is very interesting if you actually feel it. Okay. Or it might be boring. No, not now. Let me complete this. Right. Okay. Okay. So I said that sodium, aluminium, they all need only 10 electrons. Only 10 electrons. Okay. To be stable. Just think about this. Right. If aluminium will only need 10 electrons to be stable, right? What aluminium will do? What will be the tendency of aluminium? Suppose we have chlorine also. One, not one. You can have as many as chlorine, right? Suppose we have chlorine also. So what will be the tendency of aluminium? Tell me, what will be the tendency of aluminium? Aluminium is having 13 electrons, but it needs only 10 electrons, right, to be stable. Yes, very good. So obviously it will donate its 3 electrons, yes or no? So you can write like this, Al13, right? Al13, this is 13, this is not B, this is 13. Mind my handwriting. It will become Al10 plus 3 electrons. Arav, are you getting this now? Tell me, are you getting this now? Everyone is getting this now? Yes. So since it removed 10 electrons, now the number of electron is 10. Number of electron is 10. Just think about this. And number of proton will be 13. So 13 plus and 10 minus. Yes, I'm repeating, Daksh. Aluminium actually had 13 electrons. Aluminium actually had 13 electrons, right? 13 electrons. It donated 3 electrons. Why? Because it needs only 10 electrons to be stable, to form compounds, right? To make friends. Okay, it needs only 10 electrons. So 3 electrons it will give to some other friends, right? Got it? Those who need it. Okay, got it? Now, when it gives 3 electron, number of electron will reduce to 10. Yes. What will be the charge on aluminium? Tell me, what will be the charge on aluminium? What will be the charge on aluminium? It is giving now, right? Just think, plus 13. Pehle it was plus 13 minus 13. So 0. But now it is plus 13 and minus 10. Just think about this. Now it is plus 13 and minus 10 after giving. So total will be plus 3 now, right? See, if you are giving something, so the number will be less for you, right? Got it? Right? So plus 3. So that's why we will write it as plus 3. So if I ask you, what is the valency of aluminium? what is the valency of aluminium? Tell me, everyone, what is the valency of aluminium? 3. Very good, very good. Now you understood why the valency of aluminium is 3? Tell me, now you understood why valency of aluminium is 3, right? Because it needs 3 electrons to donate. Okay, now we have already studied about chlorine. We have already studied about chlorine. Okay, so what is the valency of chlorine? Tell me, what is the valency of chlorine? 1. Now just think about this. Just think about this. Aluminium have 3 vada pavs. Aluminium have 3 extra vada pav. Okay, aluminium is having 3 extra vada pav, right? And then we have chlorine. Chlorine only needs 1 vada pav. Chlorine can only eat 1 vada pav. Okay, then just think about this. Aluminium will donate his vada pav to how many chlorines? Tell me. Aluminium will donate his vada pav to how many chlorines? 3 chlorines. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Right? So I can say that this aluminium, which is having 3 valency, right? And we have this chlorine, which is having 1 valency. So this aluminium will befriend 3 chlorines. Yes? So just cross multiply. Just cross multiply. Okay? So cross multiply. You will get what? AlCl3, which means 1 aluminium will be friend with 3 chlorine. Yes or no? Easy, everyone? Right? AlCl3. Yes, very good. So this is the example how compound is formed. Everyone got this? Yes? Very good. Very good. Now, can you tell me what is the formula when Mg having valency 12 will combine with chlorine? Tell me, what will be the formula? Yes, Mg is magnesium. Mg is magnesium, right? Step by step. Everyone just try to solve step by step and try to find the formula. Yes, Ragini, very good, right? First, you have to see how many electrons Mg will donate. Not 13, Devika. How can? Right? Yes, Tuvishka, very good. See, very good. Everyone, step by step. Mg will also want to have only 10 electrons, right? Harsh, MgCl2, MgCl2, not 12, right? Yes, very good. So Mg, see, Mg wants 10 electrons. It is having 12 electrons. So 2 electrons is extra. So Mg valency 2. Chlorine valency 1, we know, cross multiply. Cross multiply. We will get MgCl2. MgCl2. Cl2. Now tell me, this was easy or hard? Tell me, this was easy or hard? Tell me. Easy, right? Arnav, Yadav, you understood this? Because we taught this only when you missed the class. Okay? Okay, very good. So this was the basic of, yes, Kahoot, we will play Kahoot, right? So this is the basic of chemistry, right? Now, is it fine if I teach things and skip the remembering chapters? Tell me. If it's fine, then I'll teach you these kind of basic things which will help. Okay, because anyways, the chapters which you have to remember, you'll remember. Okay, okay. Everyone ready with Kahoot? Arav, just you are using laptop or desktop, right? You're using laptop or desktop? Yes, laptop. Okay, just Google Kahoot.it, right? Just open that. Okay, I'll give you the login code. Wait, I'll just send you the code. Okay, so if you use Kahoot on laptop, you will see something like this. Okay, those who use laptop, you can just use laptop. Okay, you will see something like this. You just tap into the game pin, which I'll share. Okay, okay, Arav, got it? Okay, so ready everyone with your app? Okay, ready? I'll share the game pin. Okay, this is Kahoot of heat. Okay, this is Kahoot of heat, right? So just try to answer. You have completed heat in school, Arav? Have you completed heat in school? Because we have completed here? No. Okay, so not yet. Which chapter is going on in school? Heat only. Okay, no issues. This is the very basic. Okay. No team, not team versus team. Alone only. Okay. Okay. Now let's start. Everyone, let's start. You can see the game pin soon. Wait for some time. Yeah, the game pin is 692607. Okay, 692607. Join everyone. Tanmay is the first student to join. Yes. Vishka join, Ragini join, Amisha, Esther, very good. Manyata, Madhur. Daksh won't join because he has some work. Everyone joined? Harsh joined? Is there anyone left? There should be 21 students. Vishka joined, okay. So I guess most of you have joined. Anyone have any issues? Okay, your mobile have some problem. Daksh, do you have laptop or desktop? You use a phone or can you use desktop or laptop? If you can use desktop or laptop, you can play there. No issues. Okay? Or just, yeah. Click on play, right? Click on play. Arav, click on play. Okay? Okay. So shall we start? There's a Arav, you haven't joined yet. Have you clicked on play? Turn on the volume. Okay. Wait, I'll turn on the volume. Okay. Okay, it's fine. This much volume fine. Okay. So I'll start. Right? Just enter the game pin and play. Okay. Wait, I'll just show you how it will work in. Wait. So this is your game pin. Just paste your game pin and enter. Okay, everyone, wait. Wait. Yeah, you can see the screen now. Yeah, you can see the screen now. Everyone, shall we start? Just message. Can you see the screen now? Okay. Okay. We will start now. Okay. Yeah. So we will see first question. Okay. The first question is, a wooden spoon does not conduct heat because it is an option A, conductor, option B, metal, option C, insulator, option D, none of these. Quick, quick. 18 answers till now. Okay. So 16 students have said correct answer. Very good. Wood is an insulator. Let's see the scoreboard. Abhinav, first position. Okay, Ragini, no issues. Try for next. Okay, second question. Everyone, see your screen. A device used to measure body temperature is called? Easy question. Okay, very good. 19 students have the answer. Let's see the scoreboard. Madhur first. So we have a change. Madhur first, second Amisha, third Yukti. Okay, next. Third question. So a beggar covered his body with newspaper in winter because it is, I hope everyone should be able to answer this. We have discussed this, I guess. 15 answers. Everyone, 17, 18, very good. 18 answers till now. Let's see. Only 4 correct answers. How? We have discussed this now, right? Beggar cover his body with newspaper because it is a good insulator, right? Okay, so I guess those, it is the best answer. Okay, those who said bad conductor of heat, okay, and good insulator, it is confusing, but when you have to choose the best option, then you have to choose good insulator. Okay, Ragini, you can play on web browser also. Okay, right? You can play on web browser also. See the scoreboard. Abhinav, third position. Next, the average body temperature is 96 degrees Fahrenheit. True or false? The average body temperature is 96 degrees Fahrenheit. True or false? 12 answers, 14 answers, 15 answers, 17 answers. Yes, 18 answers. So I guess everyone have answered. 19 answers. So 14 are, 6 are false, 14 true. The average body temperature was 97 now. It's 98.6, right? 98. Got it? It is 98.6 now, which is 36 to 37 degrees centigrade. That is 98.6. Got it, everyone? Right? The average body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay? Yes, Shravya. 98.6. Let's see who answered this correctly. Shravya, third position. Purvi raised up to fourth position. Madhur is having 4 correct answers in streak. Let's see next question. Fifth problem. The laboratory thermometer has mercury in it. True or false? Right? Sorry, we have. Wait, my internet connection got lost. It is solid state, gaseous state, liquid state, or none of these. Solid state, gaseous state, liquid state, or none of these. Laboratory thermometer have mercury in which state? Solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. We have studied this. Only 2 answers. Liquid state, na? I taught you, right? है ना? I taught you. Mansa, it's not asking game pin. You logged out, kya? Game pin is same. 692607. Just log in. Okay. If you get logged out, just use the same login pin. Right? So mercury exists in liquid state only. Right? Okay. Okay. So all of you just enter the game pin. If you logged out, just enter the game pin. Okay. Shall we start? All of you? Are you in the game? Tell me. Are you in the game? You are unable to log in? How many of you are unable to log in? Just enter the game pin, na? Just enter the game pin. Mansa is in the game. Most of you are in the game. Okay, those who logged out, right? Those who logged out, just use the same game pin, 692607. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see, Shravya, let's see. Don't worry, let's see. Right? Okay. Next, shall we start? Arav, you're asking? You can have same name, right? Just have same name. Okay. Okay, we will start, right? We will start. So, same Madhur. Next question. The laboratory thermometer has a lower temperature range than clinical thermometer. True or false? The laboratory thermometer has a lower temperature range than clinical thermometer. True or false? Okay, we got 18 answers. Very good. So I'll skip. Okay, I get 19 answers. I'll skip now. 15 false. Yes, na. Laboratory thermometer has higher temperature range, right? Most of you should remember, है ना? That clinical thermometer can measure your body temperature only, but laboratory thermometer can measure, right? Yes, -10 to 110 degree centigrade. Okay, let's see the scores. So Manyata got into second position. Shravya still at fourth position, right? Seventh question. Everyone see the screen. The kink in clinical thermometer prevents mercury from option A, going up, going down, coming out of capillary tube, all of these. Everyone, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, time's up. Going down now, right? Going down, okay? Because it is a liquid, so it has tendency to go down only, okay? It won't go up now unless and until it is heated. It won't go up. Yes or no? Tell me. Unless and until if the temperature is changed, it won't go up. Might be because of some issues, right? No change in position. Let's see. Eighth question. Eighth question. Everyone, eighth question on your screen. The king present in laboratory thermometer but is absent in clinical thermometer. The king is present in laboratory thermometer but absent in clinical thermometer. True or false? Time's up. Let's see. False, na? Right? Because it should be present in both. Yes or no? Because Mercury is there in the king. So the answer is false. Let's see the scores. There's a huge change. Rishika, third position. Very good. Madhur is, it happened again. Okay. I don't know why it's happening then. Second last problem. Second last problem. If boiling water is poured on the ice cold water, when the temperature of ice cold water will, very simple problem. Option A, increase. Option B, decrease. Option C, remain same. If boiling water is poured on ice cold water, the temperature of ice cold water will. We have discussed this. We have learned the formula also. Right? Everyone should answer. So 19 students have answered, right? So we'll skip. So the answer is increase. Yes, very good. So most of you have correct answer, right? Because see, we know that heat transfer takes place from higher temperature to lower temperature. Yes or no? Right? Heat temperature, so heat transfer takes up from lower temperature, sorry, from higher temperature to lower temperature. Okay, so the object at lower temperature will gain heat and the temperature will rise, right? Anna, if you keep coffee in your room, the coffee will get cold. But if you keep ice in a room, right, then it will get warm. The temperature will increase. Okay, let's see the scores. Okay, Manyata, first position. Yes, very good. There are two Madhur. How come? How come we have two Madhur? The increasing order of temperature, last question. The increasing order of temperature in steam, water, and ice, right? Increasing order of temperature, which is hottest? Which is hottest? In increasing order, hottest to coldest, right? Everyone, answer 4 seconds, 3 seconds, jaldi, 1 second. Time's up, time's up. 6 correct answer, na? Steam is hottest. Steam is hottest, then water, then ice. Got it? Because just think about it now. Steam will be formed after 100 degrees centigrade. Yes or no? Tell me. Steam will be formed after 100 degrees centigrade, right? And ice will be there below 0 degrees centigrade. And water will be from 0 to 100. So let's see who's topper. Okay, let's see the podium. Third, Madhur. Second, Rishika. Very good. First, who is first? Manyata. Yes, very good. Okay. Chalo. We are done with the game. Right? Okay. Okay, I guess everyone understood everything and learned something new in today's class. Yes? Right? Okay. Okay, bye everyone. Okay. So we will have a test of data handling on Tuesday. Okay. And Arav, you message me. I'll just send you the topics that we have completed. If possible, I'll send you the videos. Okay. 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 Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone. Yeah. Bye, everyone.